E outro tópico, no momento que nos exponemos corpo na raio de solo, é de suma importância para proteger nos cuero. De maneira de mais efetiva, a dor de usar bom sunscreen. Danho causado de solo é irreversível na maioria de casos. De era moderno, aqui está inventando maneira mais fácil para aplicar certo produto. No caso, aqui nós estamos falando de sunscreen.
Kristen McClellan, um jovem de New York, que está seguindo programa para entrepreneur na Cornell University. O projeto é desenvolver produto inovativo e moderno de sunscreen. O produto da Papia para seu mês, sunscreen e no Snap. De alguns segundos, uma pessoa está clara para enfrentar a raio não forte de solo.
I'm here to do a trial period in Aruba so that I could gain the marketing data, so that I could go back to the States and make the changes and finalize the product in order to launch it next summer and have it really in all the resorts, hopefully around Aruba. So we've gotten a lot of great feedback and people are loving it. They say that a lot of them say that there's little changes that need to be made, which is great to hear, and they definitely want to see the product out there. So one of the feedback was like, just in more locations at more hotels. So things like that have been said, which seems that everyone's really liking it, which is nice.
Yes, I think guests started to come on the first day, 30 up to 100 yesterday for a half day. They love the product. It's a very easy and simple product. Basically, what I understood is one snap, and you have full coverage, and it's a way for us to give something back to our guests, service related as well for your health. Make sure that you're fully covered in the sun.
Câncer de cuero está onde câncer é mais comum hoje em dia. Tendo isso aqui na conta, Kristen decidiu para vir com maneira nova e mais fácil para juntar sunscreen na curva. E tendo na conta também, como a maioria da gente não gosta de aplicar sunblock, e senão que a maioria vezes não aplicar o candidato necessário.
From statistics online and reading different articles and stuff, it is proven that only 1/3 of the population uses sunscreen, and half of the people that use sunscreen do not apply a sufficient amount, so they end up with burns in different places. So this will just promote the full coverage for the ones who are trying to apply the right amount, and hopefully encourage the other 2/3 to just put it on. And part of the percentage of the profits once we launch the product and start making profits, a percentage will go back to the Melanoma Research Foundation. So it's to encourage people to protect themselves and kind of educate them about skin cancer and all the initiatives.
A desenvolvedora de Snappy Screen, a Rainha Aruba é a destinação perfeita para apresentar seu produto. E mesmo explica de como.
I just felt that there was tons of people here. Aruba is always nice weather. It's a good place to have a different variety of demographics of people, because you have people from all over the world here. So it's good to get a mixture of feedback from all different types of people.
Promeco lança produto oficialmente arriba mercado e Mr. cumpre com certo requisito e prova su mês. Depois do projeto piloto aqui na Aruba, o Mr. evalua onde ainda Mr. Bin cambio, promeco lançar oficialmente arriba mercado.
Probably add a few more nozzles just for more full coverage, have a different type of draining system just for the excess so it's not slippery around the pool deck, and maybe just a few more areas blocked from the wind. But besides that, it's been going really well and people have been getting fully covered.
No momento que Kristen chega a Mercaback, ela faz uma apresentação de seu êxito na Aruba, a base de feedback que ela ganha. Ela espera que o turcosto por sair bom, para assim lançar o produto oficialmente no summer próximo. Aruba segura arriba sua lista para o que trata a destinação onde quer lançar seu produto.
The next steps is the feedback that I've gotten here is really going to be used to make a different presentation to financiers as well as different potential sales. So I'll have 2 different presentations, one to hotels and beach resorts and one to potential financial backers, and hopefully be able to get enough money to continue the production of it and kind of get it out to launch all at once.
Okay, and you want to launch it in Aruba and at different hotels?
Yeah, at all different hotels. Definitely in Aruba because it's been working great here and people have been loving it.
Okay, and besides Aruba, would you like to go other Caribbean islands or?
Yeah, other Caribbean islands. Definitely warm spots in the States like California, Florida.
I'm Melanie Lacle, para Noticia Awenochi.
O interessante, noi siamo esperti na capa de ozon da bira mais fini, lo que ta hasi que raio de solo tá mais forte e por afetar nos cuero mais ligeiro, ora conosce den solo, pensei viaja mais, proteção contra solo tá importante.
Seguro. E te pensei é importante para ter green para preserva naturaleza, por indústria.
E tur gente neste usa sunscreen, não tem gente disco, gente
não
branca
por
corrupção. Tur dia.
Guardando o bus de escola,
Viva nós também podemos solucionar. Take care, take care, take care.
Seguro que sim.